there's really not a minimum credit score per se to qualify for a home loan. I've actually seen people get approved with as low as a 500 before, but it depends on what type of program you're trying to qualify for. If you're looking for something like 100% financing, rural development loan, or a FHA loan that's 3.5% down, a conventional loan that's 3% down, you typically want to be at least a 640. Now, we do also have our in-house loans at Pelican, and our underwriters try and do a good job of not looking at just the credit score, but as your credit report as a whole. So you can qualify with a lower credit score. Now, it's going to be a little bit more stringent. You're going to have to look at putting more money down, be able to verify that you've been paying rent, have money saved up, things like that. So typically you do want to try and be at least around a 640, but there are things you can do with a lower credit score to move forward.